Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Ulefone Armor X7 Pro, and let me share with you how to add the photo to contact in this device. So let's start with opening your contact list, for example with the usage of the dialer. Just tap on the contacts here. And then find the contact you'd like to edit and tap on it. So let me pick maybe this one. Of course, give all the permissions it needs. And now we've got the contact details. So let's simply tap on this, not this photo, but we have to tap on edit first of all. We cannot really start with the photo, but that's okay. Now when we are in this edit contact section, we have to tap on the photo in my case, but let me quickly remove it. So this is what you will see if you will enter the contact without any kind of photo attached. So let's tap on the camera icon, and as you can see, you can either take a photo and then the device will open the camera app. So this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you and if you're able to catch a photo of him or her, or you can choose a photo from the gallery, and I will choose this option. We will be transferred to our album, so let's simply find the photo we'd like to use and tap on it. Alright, and right now in this step we can change the position of the photo, we can change the size also of this highlighted square, we can zoom it in or out, and thanks to this we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because basically this highlighted square is responsible for it. Here you can also rotate the picture, it's up to you, just set it like you want to and tap on done. And as you can see, the photo has been immediately applied to this section. So if you are happy with your choice and with the results, tap on the tick icon in the right upper corner. As you can see here, we've got our contact with the photo saved. Of course, you will be able to see it on the contact list, or for example during all incoming calls from that number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.